Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to change your Instagram password step by step. So to do this, you just need to go and open your Instagram account. And after opening your Instagram account, you just need to go to your profile. And after that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, choose the first option, Accounts Center. After choosing Account Center, you just need to scroll down a little bit. And after that, click on Password and Security. And after that, choose the first option, Change Password. And as you can see now, it will gives you all like the Facebook and Instagram account linked to your actual account center. For example, I will choose this account, and as you can see here, it gives me the option to change my actual password. But first of all, you should put your current password, and after that you should type your new password 2 times and click on change password, and like that your password will be changed. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.